Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Microsoft Entra ID for conditional access policies, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by signing in to the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Navigate to the menu on the left and select Security. In the Security section, find and click on Conditional Access. To create a new policy, select Policies at the top of the page. Click on the plus New Policy button. Give your policy a meaningful name in the designated field. In the Assignments section, click on Users and Groups. Select the users or groups to whom this policy will apply. Save your selection and proceed to the Cloud Apps or Actions section. Click on Select Apps to choose the applications this policy will impact. Select the appropriate applications and confirm your selection. Next, navigate to the Conditions section. Here, you can configure conditions such as device platforms, locations, or sign-in risk. Enable the desired conditions by toggling the switches on. Customize each condition as necessary based on your security requirements. Once conditions are set, move to the Access Controls section. Choose whether to grant or block access. If granting access, you may require additional steps like multi-factor authentication. After configuring access controls, review your selections. Once you're satisfied, click on the Enable Policy toggle. Finally, select Create to finalize and activate your conditional access policy. Your conditional access policy is now successfully configured in Microsoft Entra ID. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.